friends. I will. Today's video is about $1 a minute strategy. As I explained earlier in my previous videos, that my trades are shorter. I do like a short trades, so it just usually starts within a minute. After in this 1 minute, I just check the direction which the cryptocurrency will move. Also, I will start from 10 and then gradually increase the position. As based on um, the movement. If I find it if I find it that the position is going to be, you know, um, not worth increasing. So I rather close and then open new one with a lower leverage. Um, as you can see, I opened the position around 40, and then the first position today was around 12 o'clock, 12:15. So this is all around 41 minutes, and that is $40. So this is my $1 a minute strategy. So regardless of how the position is moving, um, every minute $1. If it's more than that, I just close the position. So this is how it works. I mean, you need to figure it out. You have if you got $1 a minute, that's 60 multiplied by, if you work 12 hours, that's around $700, $800 a day. If you want to work more, and that's that. So this is not something mad up. It's not a demo account. It's live, actual um, trading with actual money. So as you can see, I took benefit of this, sudden, climb and ledger corrections. My total position, gradually increased to 142. I started from 10, and then the volume it gave me is 71,255, and then profit share is this one, 4.27. So Stromgain. Once you are at a level, like a VIP level, the Stromgain will look after you. So this opening date and time is 14:44, and then closing time, and it will show you what 57. This is around 10-15 minutes. In 10-15 minutes, we made around close to $40. So step one, wait patiently and then place the order for 10 by leverage. Based on your experience, if you are just starting, your leverage should be less than 20 or 10. If you are moderate, like with 6 months or 1 year experience, you can go with 100 x leverage, because it's not a daily, it's not just a monthly or yearly training course or something like that. Then straight on to the main business. This takes time. This will take time. But once you know how to play this game, or understand the crypto currency signals, um, although it will show you all these signals are for buy, but you need to keep in mind when you have higher leverage. This, you see, I closed the position immediately because it was reversing back. So um, and then and this is a, obviously one small loss. Small losses, it is mainly, because you are distracted by something, and that is possible. So um, and also this, keep in mind, this is very, very high leverage, trade. So and there's nothing, if you want to gain higher and higher, then you need to accept the risk. If you can manage higher risk, why not? I deposited about 30 dollars yesterday to start with, and the reason I don't start with higher amount of money is that amount of leverage I use to trade. So I'll give an example for this one. For this one is, as you can see, if I stayed within the trade, I could have made almost double or triple. So, but you'd rather be safe than sorry. Rule number rule number two of cryptocurrency trading is you need to stay in your senses. Never chase the market, never chase the price trend. Do your homework, do your homework, study it, which direction. Or some people, new guys will jump in, buying because this is not the place to buy. This is not the point to buy. This is like sort of you know in between bullish and bearish, like a point here. If I place order for buy in here, is immediately it's gone down. So it's correcting itself, or someone decided to sell here. So um, okay, still no, still is not the point. It's not the price we wanna sell first and buy later. So usually I work out. How I work out is, level lowest point and highest point. So in with these ones, and this will repeat again. This will here the reference from is just crossing this line a little bit upward. So if it doesn't repeat this one, this line again, it doesn't come down and then carries on, upward trend. So yeah, we met, like you decided to buy at this point, but very small leverage. Not gonna risk it. If it suddenly comes, ledger correction comes down, or someone decided to sell larger amount of money, then it will, we lost our, investment. So this one, never chase, a position like this. Never ever chase it because at any moment it can come down and incur a very big loss. So thank you for watching. Once again, you're almost welcome to ask any questions, specific questions, and how to increase your loyalty program. How to this is on 6 days, and my status for this one will be active until end of February. So I already is within 6 days. Today, including today, it will be around 3 million. So it will be around this point again. So I hopefully I will, cross this month around 20 million or so. I just keep you reminded, once you get your status, whether it's standard is just obviously when you join, and then gold status. These status are, valid for the next 30 days. So every 30 days you get, based on your trading volume, you get your status for the following. Suppose if you hit the target of 15 million as of today, so your status will remain until end of, not end of February, but it will remain end of, until end of March. You get rest of the month, rest of the month plus the following month, depend on what day you reach to the next step. So keep spending your time, small trades, many trades. Um, Keep yourself in your senses, and that don't chase the market. That is very dangerous, habit. Chasing. When I started, I lost a lot of money because I was chasing the market rather than, and also, you know, when you get emotional, never get emotional, never, if you lose money once, uh, you just accept it and move on, because you can't, like go in circles that, I lost money, gonna, recover it, you know. Some people have, oh, I'm gonna miss it, fear of missing out, which we call it FOMO. So, never fall for that. So as you can see here, this is the place to, place your bet for, selling. So as I said, this is the place, and that is correct. That this was the correct position to sell once it reached the peak. As you can see, how fast it's going down, and we will take a reference at 41,490 for buying it, and then you need this is the candles. As you can see, this is not just a flare, it's just going down. It's going down and then repeat. It's not repeating the candle. We'll wait for the third candle here, and then if it does not repeat it, we'll place the order. We'll place the order for buy, because it's also indicating this is buying as well. Thank you for watching. I'll update you tomorrow. Tomorrow video will be at tonight. My target will be to double the investment. So one more question, someone asking now, right now, is it possible to double your money? Yes, it is. Definitely it is. But it comes with a higher risk, you know. Um, Someone wants to offer you, if someone is offering you to double your money, that you need to ask yourself a question that if, you know, due to ledger correction or market collapse, if he incurs a loss, how is going to recover? The only one option for him to be just totally, disappear from, face of this market, and never ever, appear again on this, social media networks and all that. So, if you want these videos to be in other language, you're most welcome to ask me. I speak fluent Hindi, Urdu, Punjabi, Beluchistani, Wahi, and Persian, and then some Arabic as well. So I can make videos in the language you easily understand. So almost 5 languages option is there. So thank you very much for your time. Take care. Bye bye.